Hello, English learners, and welcome back to English Listening Studio.
I'm Ben.
And I'm Lissy. How are you today, Ben?
I'm doing really well, Lucy, and I'm excited because today we have a very practical lesson.
Yes, we do. Today's episode is about a very common real life situation.
It's something that happens to a lot of people.
And sometimes it can feel a little stressful.
That's right. Today we are talking about being late and meeting someone for lunch.
This is a great topic because you will learn useful English for daily life, simple conversation, and polite phrases you can really use.
First, we're going to listen to a short dialogue. It will be a little fast the first time.
But don't worry, after we explain the key words and phrases, it will become much easier to understand.
All right, let's listen. I'll read the part of Daniel.
And I'll be Emma. Let's hear it. Hey, Daniel, there you are. I was starting to worry.
Hi, Emma. I'm so sorry I'm late. The bus was delayed and then I had to walk from the next stop.
Oh, no problem. I just got here a few minutes ago.
Really? That's a relief. I thought I had kept you waiting for a long time.
Not at all. Do you want to grab a table by the window?
Sure, that sounds good. I haven't eaten anything all day, so I'm starving.
Me too. Let's sit down and order right away.
All right, so Daniel was late for lunch,
Yes, and he sounded a little stressed.
but Emma was very calm about it.
Exactly. Now let's look at today's language takeaways.
Our first expression is, I'm so sorry I'm late.
I'm so sorry I'm late.
This is a very useful sentence. You can say it when you arrive late after the expected time.
It is polite, simple, and very common.
Let's hear a few examples. Example 1. I'm so sorry I'm late. There was a lot of traffic this morning.
Example 2. Sorry I'm late. My train stopped for 10 minutes.
Example 3. I'm really sorry I'm late. Thank you for waiting for me.
So this phrase is easy. You arrive late and you apologize.
Exactly.
And if you want to sound a little warmer, you can say, I'm so sorry I'm late.
Great. And this brings up a good point about apologies. The level of formality can change depending on the situation.
That's true. I'm so sorry I'm late is perfect for friends, like in our dialogue. But what if you're late for a job interview?
Exactly. In a more formal setting, you might say something like, my apologies for the delay, or I sincerely apologize for my tardiness. Tardiness. Tardiness is a formal word for being late.
Right. And for a very casual situation, like meeting a close friend who you know is always relaxed, you might just say, sorry I'm late, with a smile.
It's all about context, but I'm so sorry I'm late is a fantastic all-purpose phrase that works in most everyday situations.
Totally. Okay, so now let's look at our second expression, a relief.
A relief.
Daniel said, that's a relief.
A relief is a feeling you get when something bad did not happen or when a stressful situation becomes easier.
Yes, maybe you were worried and then suddenly you feel calm again. Let's hear 2 examples.
Example 1. I thought I lost my phone, but it was in my bag. What a relief.
Example 2. The test was easier than I expected. That was a relief.
So when Daniel said that's a relief, he meant, I feel better now.
Exactly. And there are other great ways to express this feeling. You could say, phew, thank goodness.
Right. Or another common one is, that's a weight off my mind. Imagine you were carrying a heavy weight of worry and now it's gone.
Oh, that's a great idiom. For example, I thought I failed the exam, but I passed. That's a huge weight off my mind.
Exactly. But what a relief or that's a relief are the most direct and common.
He was worried Emma had waited a long time.
But she had not.
Right, so he felt relieved.
And that brings us to our third expression, starving.
Starving.
Daniel said, I'm starving.
Now, of course, starving can mean something very serious in some situations.
But in everyday conversation, people often use it to say they are very, very hungry.
Exactly. It's common, casual English. Let's hear some examples.
Example 1. I didn't eat breakfast, so I'm starving now.
Example 2. Can we order soon? I'm starving.
Example 3. After the gym, I'm always starving.
So in daily conversation, starving usually just means very hungry.
Yep, it's a type of exaggeration we call hyperbole. Hyperbole. It's when you exaggerate to make a point.
Right. And English has some other great, slightly dramatic ways to say you're hungry. A classic one is, I could eat a horse.
Yes, it's an old one, but people still use it. It just means you're incredibly hungry. You could also say, I'm famished. Famished.
Famished. That sounds a little more formal than starving, but still very useful.
It is. So you have a scale from I'm a bit peckish, which means just a little hungry, to I'm starving or I'm famished.
A very useful scale for daily life. Perfect. Now let's put some language together.
In this section, we look at useful word combinations and natural expressions.
These help your English sound smoother and more natural. Our first phrase is keep someone waiting.
Keep someone waiting.
Daniel said, I thought I had kept you waiting for a long time.
To keep someone waiting means that another person has to wait because of you. Let's hear some examples.
Example 1, I'm sorry to keep you waiting.
Example 2, the doctor kept us waiting for 20 minutes.
Example 3, I don't want to keep my friend waiting outside.
This is a very useful phrase, especially when you're late.
Yes, because it helps you explain the situation politely. Our next phrase is by the window.
By the window.
Emma asked, do you want to grab a table by the window? By the window means next to the window.
It's very useful in restaurants, cafes, trains, and offices.
For example, let's sit by the window. I like the seat by the window. There is a small table by the window.
Great. Very simple, but very useful. And this phrase structure works for other locations in a restaurant too.
Like what?
Well, you could ask for a table in the corner for more privacy, or a spot on the patio if you want to sit outside.
That makes sense. Or maybe a booth in the back. A booth is a type of seating with long, soft benches.
Exactly. So the pattern is a table or a spot plus a prepositional phrase like by the window, in the corner, or on the patio.
And our third phrase is right away.
Right away.
Emma said, let's sit down and order right away. Right away means immediately or very soon.
Exactly. You can use it in many situations.
Example 1, I'll call you right away.
Example 2, we need to leave right away.
Example 3, she answered the email right away.
And it's interesting to compare right away with similar phrases like immediately or at once.
Right. How are they different?
Right away is very common in spoken conversational English. Immediately can be used in speech too, but it also appears a lot in writing and sounds a bit more formal.
Okay, so the manager needs that report immediately.
Perfect example. And at once is even more formal, or it can sound a bit demanding, like something a boss or a parent might say. Come here at once.
Got it. So for everyday situations like in our dialogue, right away is the perfect natural choice.
So now we have some really practical English. I'm late, that's a relief. I'm starving, keep someone waiting, by the window, right away.
These are all expressions people use in real conversations.
And now let's listen to the dialogue again, this time a little more slowly.
Hey, Daniel, there you are. I was starting to worry.
Hi, Emma. I'm so sorry I'm late. The bus was delayed and then I had to walk from the next stop.
Oh, no problem. I just got here a few minutes ago.
Really? That's a relief. I thought I had kept you waiting for a long time.
Not at all. Do you want to grab a table by the window?
Sure, that sounds good. I haven't eaten anything all day, so I'm starving.
Me too. Let's sit down and order right away.
Now it's much clearer.
Yes, and you can hear how these expressions fit naturally into the conversation.
All right, now it's time for Fluency Builder.
In Fluency Builder, we focus on one short phrase that sounds natural and fluent. Today's phrase is, there you are.
There you are.
Emma said, hey Daniel, there you are. This phrase is very common when you finally see someone you were looking for.
Yes, maybe your friend arrives late, or maybe you're looking for someone in a crowd.
It does not always mean you were worried. Sometimes it's just a friendly way to say, ah, I see you now.
Let's hear it again. There you are. There you are.
Here are a few examples. Example 1. Oh, there you are. I was looking for you.
Example 2. There you are. I saved you a seat.
Example 3. Ah, there you are. We're ready to start.
This is such a natural, everyday phrase.
Yes, and many learners don't use it enough. They often say only hello, but there you are makes the English sound more natural in the right situation.
Exactly.
And that actually brings us to a really interesting point, Ben. The whole idea of being late isn't just about language, it's also about culture.
That's so true. It's time for a little cultural corner.
Cultural Corner.
So, in many English-speaking cultures like the US or the UK, punctuality is quite important, especially in professional settings.
Oh, definitely. If you have a business meeting or a job interview, you should aim to be there 5 to 10 minutes early. Being on time is good, but being late is often seen as unprofessional or disrespectful.
Exactly. It sends a message that you don't value the other person's time.
Right, but what about social situations, like meeting friends for lunch, as Daniel and Emma did?
It's a bit more relaxed there. If you're 5 or 10 minutes late, it's usually not a big deal, as long as you send a quick text message and apologize when you arrive.
Yeah, sending a message is key. Hey, so sorry, running about 10 minutes late is a lifesaver.
It really is. But there's also the concept of being fashionably late.
Ah, yes, this usually applies to parties or larger social gatherings, not a one-on-one lunch.
Right. If a party starts at 8 p.m., you probably shouldn't arrive at 8 p.m. on the dot. It might seem a bit too eager. Arriving around 8:15 or 8:30 is often considered normal.
It's a strange social rule, isn't it? Don't be too early, don't be too late.
It is, and this varies so much around the world. And some countries, time is much more fluid. An invitation for 8 p.m. might mean people start showing up at 9 p.m. or even later.
Which can be a real culture shock if you're used to being punctual.
Totally. So the takeaway for our learners is to observe and adapt. For professional situations in most English-speaking environments, be early. For social ones, on time or a few minutes late is usually fine. But for parties, being a little fashionably late is often the norm.
Great advice, and it really shows how language and culture are so connected. Knowing what to say when you're late is one thing, but knowing the cultural expectation is another layer of fluency.
So true. Speaking of which, Lucy, have you ever been really late to meet someone?
Oh, yes, many times. One time I was meeting a friend for lunch in the city, and I thought I had plenty of time.
That already sounds dangerous.
It was. I left home feeling very relaxed, but then I realized I had taken the wrong train.
Oh no.
Yes, I got off the train, changed platforms, waited for another train, and by that time I was already 20 minutes late.
What did your friend say?
Luckily, she was very kind. She just smiled and said, "No worries." I ordered some water and waited.
That's nice.
Yes, but I still felt bad because I hate keeping people waiting.
Me too. I think most people feel stress when they are late, especially if the other person is already there. What about you?
Exactly.
Yes, I had an embarrassing situation once. I was supposed to meet a colleague at a cafe after work.
Okay.
I remembered the day, I remembered the person, but I forgot the cafe.
Oh, wow.
I knew it was near the station, but there are so many cafes there.
So what did you do?
I called him and said, "Hi, I'm here, but I think I'm in the wrong place."
That's honest.
Yes, and he laughed. Then he said, "Look across the street." And he was there. He was in the cafe directly in front of me.
That's actually very funny.
It was funny later. At the time, I felt really silly.
I think that kind of story is useful for learners because it shows how common these situations are.
Exactly, and that's why these phrases matter. Real English is often about small problems in daily life.
And knowing what to say makes you feel more confident.
Right. Before we listen to the dialogue one more time, let's look at a few extra phrases that are very useful when you are late or when you are waiting for someone.
Great idea. These are short, simple phrases, but they are very common in real life. The first one is, "I just got here."
I just got here. Emma used a similar idea on the dialogue. This phrase is helpful because it makes the other person feel less worried.
Exactly. If your friend says sorry for being late, you can say, "It's okay, I just got here." Let's hear 2 examples.
Example 1. Don't worry, I just got here too.
Example 2. "You're not that late, I just got here a minute ago." This is a very friendly and kind phrase.
Our next phrase is no problem.
No problem. This is one of the easiest and most useful expressions in English.
Yes, if someone apologizes, you can answer with no problem, no worries, or that's okay. Let's hear some examples.
Example 1. "Sorry, I'm late." No problem.
Example 2. Sorry, I forgot to call you. No problem, you can call me now.
Very easy, very natural.
And our third phrase is Take your time.
Take your time. This phrase means don't hurry, it's okay, do it slowly.
For example, if your friend is ordering food, finding their bag, or sitting down, you can say, take your time. Let's hear 2 examples.
Take your time. The meeting hasn't started yet.
Example 2, it's okay. Take your time. I'm not in a hurry.
That phrase is especially useful because today's lesson is about being late and feeling stressed.
Right. Sometimes the best thing you can say to another person is something calm and kind.
Let's put these phrases together in one short example.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm late.
No problem. I just got here.
Really?
Yes. Take your time. We can order in a minute.
That sounds very natural.
And it also sounds polite, warm, and relaxed.
I think it's important for learners to notice that good English is not only about grammar.
Exactly. It is also about tone.
Sometimes the words are simple, but the feeling behind them matters a lot.
So now, before we listen again, let's quickly review all the key expressions from today.
I'm so sorry I'm late.
That's a relief.
I'm starving.
Keep someone waiting.
By the window.
Right away.
There you are.
I just got here.
No problem.
Take your time.
Great. Now you are ready to hear the dialogue again with more confidence.
So now let's listen to the full dialogue one more time at natural speed.
Hey, Daniel, there you are. I was starting to worry.
Hi, Emma. I'm so sorry I'm late. The bus was delayed, and then I had to walk from the next stop.
Oh, no problem. I just got here a few minutes ago.
Really? That's a relief. I thought I had kept you waiting for a long time.
Not at all. Do you want to grab a table by the window?
Sure, that sounds good. I haven't eaten anything all day, so I'm starving.
We too. Let's sit down and order right away. Great job. Before we finish, let's do a quick review of today's key expressions.
Listen to the meaning, then say the phrase. Arriving after the expected time and apologizing.
I'm so sorry I'm late.
Feeling better after being worried.
A relief.
Very hungry.
Starving.
Making another person wait because of you.
Keep someone waiting.
Next to the window.
By the window.
Immediately.
Right away.
There you are. Finding the person you were looking for.
There you are.
Saying that you arrived only a moment ago.
I just got here.
A polite answer to an apology.
No problem.
Telling someone not to hurry.
Take your time.
Great. Now let's hear these in simple sentences.
I'm so sorry I'm late. My bus came very late this morning.
What a relief. I thought I had lost my wallet.
I'm starving. Let's order something now.
I'm sorry to keep you waiting.
Let's sit by the window. The view is nice.
I'll send you the address right away.
Oh, there you are. I was looking for you near the door.
Don't worry, I just got here too.
Sorry I'm late.
No problem.
You can check the menu first.
Thanks. I'll order in a minute.
Take your time.
Excellent.
We hope today's lesson helped you learn useful English for real life. The best way to make these phrases stick is to use them.
That's right. Try to make your own sentences this week. You could even practice with a friend. Create a mini dialogue where one of you is late.
That's a great idea, and we would love to hear from you. Do you have any funny or stressful stories about being late? Or is punctuality super important in your culture?
Your feedback and stories help us create better lessons for everyone. Thank you so much for listening and practicing your English with us today.
Keep listening, keep repeating, and remember that consistent practice, even just a little every day, is the key to fluency.
If you enjoyed this episode, please follow or subscribe to our podcast so you don't miss the next one. And if you found it helpful, a like or a positive review really helps other learners find our show.
It really does. Thanks for joining us at English Listening Studio.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.